Bean Chaointe, Keening woman. Through her voice and lamenting, death becomes not an end, but a crossing, reaffirming enduring bonds between people, place, and ancestry. For our Irish ancestors, the Bean Chaointe was a vital communal figure, guiding others through their grief. Her piercing cries and structured lament mediated between worlds, invoking ancestral lineage rooted in the Irish landscape itself. She embodied a worldview where life, death, and renewal are intertwined, where time is deep and cyclical, where ancestral presences endure and the boundary between worlds remain porous. I invite you to join me, Eileen Huluan, in this online course, Lamenting the Dead, the Bean Chaointe, the Keening woman, where we explore this remarkable figure in Irish folklore through the lens of Jungian depth psychology and psychotherapy, Irish mythology and folklore. Together we'll consider how this ancestral wisdom can guide us today through our own life transitions and deepen our relationship with the inner world and symbolic life.